Res judicata means, res means subject matter, judicata means adjudged, means a matter adjudged or decided. Section 11 CPC deals with this res judicata. So once finally decided by a court, a matter once finally decided by a court, it cannot be made subject matter of another court. That is the essence. 1976 Amendment Act brought the execution petition under the purview of Section 11 of the CPC. And scope వచ్చేసరికి Ghulam Abbas versus State of UP regarding the res judicata, and Satyadhyam Ghosal versus Diorjan. This is also regarding Section 11 scope of res judicata. And coming to constructive res judicata, it is an explanation for once proceedings have been concluded, a plea has been taken against a party, no further plea. అంటే ఏదైనా నువ్వు చెప్పాలనుకునే